How to sign in into the Synchrony credit card account on the website. Hi everybody and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are providing you with a very simple guide that we can use to sign in into our website or the card on the website. So let's get started. So what we can do is we can head over the official site and look out for the sign in option in the top right corner usually. Once we click on it, we just need to enter up our login details and type in our username and password usually in order to sign in. Otherwise, uh, go ahead and look out for the other option for credit card directly. You can directly look out for a tab and search for Synchrony credit card online login. So usually in the sign in option in the top, when we click on it, we also find an option for credit card. We can click on it and that should lead us to the next page where we can enter up our account details and access our credit card account very easily. And this is the portal right here. So provide in your username and then your password and click on sign in and that should log into your Synchrony bank credit card account. You can also look out for a secure login option if available and you will be taken to your account dashboard where you can check your balance, pay the bills and view the statements. And that's it. If you've forgotten your username or password, we have this option right here that lets us recover it as well. You can follow this steps to recover or reset and go ahead and do so. If you're not logged in, you can just go over and double check your login details and try another browser device or contact customer support if needed as well. And that's it, everybody. For now, you can follow this method. We hope this video was helpful. Make sure to give this video a like and subscribe for more.